Conventional medicine is always changing. And what was conventional in the 1800s with using highly poisonous substances and bloodletting, today we think, what were they doing? But at the time, that was what was accepted. 10 years from now, 50 years from now, 100 years from now, there are going to be things that people in the future are going to look back and say, what were they thinking?
Conventional medicine or modern medicine, whatever you want to call it, is fantastic in many areas. But unfortunately, there's very little that conventional medicine offers for many conditions in terms of treatment.
Cleo's 7. He has autism and epilepsy.
They told me that I would have a really hard time getting pregnant, and that kind of blew my mind. I was like, how is there nothing medically to help with this issue?
I was taking 25 medicines, diabetic, kidney issues, eye issues. They told me I was dying.
What I think that our society is starving for is a solution that will effectively restore health rather than simply put a Band-Aid on their symptoms. Homeopathy is that system that offers this solution.
Most doctors are not exposed to the therapeutic power of homeopathy, but when you've seen it firsthand, mitigate someone's symptoms within sometimes seconds or minutes.
High blood pressure to migraine headaches,
fibromyalgia, chronic arthritis,
psoriasis.
The patients who were treated with homeopathy as well as conventional medicine had better clinical outcomes or the same clinical outcomes, but they used far fewer pharmaceutical drugs.
The doctors were surprised at how quickly I recovered. And then I started to feel better.
Clearly, it was kind of my last resort, and it ended up being the best resort.
One of the most important areas of clinical medicine is what we call effectiveness gap conditions. People are really suffering with long-term health problems, and conventional medicine just doesn't have all the answers.
Whether we're putting in through taxes or whether we're putting in through insurance premiums, we all end up being responsible for each other's health. The delivery of a more sustainable and a more health-promoting system of medicine would free up those healthcare dollars for better use.
It's about time that actually we had a kind of informed debate and really introduced people to the truth about homeopathy.